Hello everyone, my name is Pixel Painter VO, and today we are here with Crystal, and we're gonna go into the new update, which is Force, and just try to survive that big monster.
Yeah.
So let's get on to it. So get your supplies. I got
All right,
a bag
guys.
for
Now
wood.
let me get my stuff.
We need something for mining, a light source, which probably be the fire, but just in case. I got the boring pickaxe. You got the enchanted one.
No, you need it. You need this. I'm gonna be nice to you. Put away that light. No, that light.
Hold up.
You don't need that light.
I'm gonna throw
I
it
have
into
light.
those. It's
me have light.
Yeah, I threw away my
There's the gigantic fire.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah, you're the light source.
For some reason, someone public server whenever it came out, and they asked me, "Where is Forest?" Like, bro, have you ever played this game before?
Have you not seen the signs? Literally, there's signs everywhere. Watch out for the ogre. Okay, so we need to get.
Ogre, I love you, my boyfriend.
What? Guys, I have no control over him. He's his own person. Oh! Okay, I'm gonna get up here so I can. I got it back from the wood. We need to go up and down.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Ooh, put the firewood in here. I only got the book bag. Hey, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get a book bag real quick, okay?
Okay.
Alright.
Oh, fast. Okay, so if y'all don't go with the outlaw, if y'all don't go, that means it means night is coming.
Tell me.
It means that means night is coming.
Oh no.
Now the good stuff. Ow! Whoa, buddy! Below the waist, please. Can't hold this face.
Bestie.
Some stupid stones kill me.
Well, go get your stuff back, big
Ow.
boy.
Well, I need you to guide me.
Don't mess my boyfriend, guys.
What?
Something chase after you. Just gonna tell you that.
Oh,
Climb a tree.
Oh!
Your stuff is right here. Hey, at least there's like a little fire.
Oh, no.
What the? No, no,
Nope,
no.
I'm out. Crystal, you okay? Crystal, you okay?
Help!
I'm coming.
I climbed a tree to save me.
Ah, no, thank you. No, thank you.
I'm just floating.
What? I get my waist? Need a flashlight.
I was getting camped by the big guy. He was camping! Doggy camping!
Okay, I'm going. Oh. Crystal, it's day. Oh, okay, that's cool. Nope. That's cool. Okay. Just right there.
I don't want to stay! Me not staying!
Nope. Wait! Oh, your stuff is still over there.
Wait, really? It's still
Yeah.
over there?
Oh,
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, Daddy. Yo.
whoa.
I don't mean to sing that.
Okay.
Where?
Ooh, there we go.
I'm so heavy. Thank me.
Well, okay. Take my firewood. Oh, that's
Only
fine.
3. Well, frick! You know, he can't get too close to the fire. Somehow, it's just like a glitch. Oh yeah, if you also get really high on tree, then he can't get you. Well, it kind of has to be a big tree. So yeah, I'm close. That's him! I am him!
Everyone who's watching our videos, that's him, right over there.
I am him!
No, you're not.
Where's my big daddy? Oh, he's big.
Guys, who's ever watching my video, I'm not
Did
sure
bro just come
about
off the
him.
ground?
Yeah.
Yo! Ah! Is he coming?
I'm not sure.
No! Don't get near me!
Okay, we're good. Let's wait till day.
Wait, where the frick did he just go? He just disappeared. Oh, there he is.
he just starts.
Ground again.
He just disappears and then spawns out the ground
Oh,
like nothing
we
happened.
get money! We get money for staying at the fire. I forgot.
31,000. Okay. Hey, I'm mining this.
Alright.
Okay. It's on a boat and it's not a plane. And it's not the next salad sandwich. It's a waistband warrior. His mighty bad strike, la la, underpants, and watch her cry, underpants. Ah! Okay.
Don't get us copyrighted, okay? We're singing a
Please.
song.
Yeah. Hey, wait. No, wait. I think I should go get my ukulele. It's my one.
No. Ooh, good boy.
Okay, there once was a ship that put to sea. The name of the ship was a Billy O.T. The winds blew high above us. Okay, I can't. Yeah, if you can't, I'm not really much. If y'all want to know an interesting fact, my favorite animal is a fish. No. Ha! I can't get me. Ah, yeah. Hey Crystal, help me mine the swan tree. It's really big. I'm
trying, okay?
Why not find Conan? Where's that guy falling into? Go away. Oh. Ha! Nope. I don't handle losses that much.
Oh no!
Oh my
Crystal!
God, I died. I just freaking died. Help
Crystal.
me, please.
Okay, give me a second. Crap. I need hoy.
Just quick.
Okay. This part of your wood. Okay. I think that should be good, but just in case. Let's get up.
Oh yeah, big guy.
Yeah, see, this is why I asked if you can help me.
Yeah. Oh.
Hey, look.
Should we grab them quick?
If you want to.
I can't really. Camping. Ah! Oh, thank God I didn't die. I thought I was gonna die there.
Do you have any light?
Yes, on my.
Oh, that's fun.
Shoot. We're cooked. We're cooked.
Get back.
We're so cooked.
Get back to lobby. Oh, it's like that. Okay. It should be good.
I did it! I lighted it up!
You did? That's good. Yeah, can you find me? I'm at the entrance of Fort. Oh, I don't like that. Oh. I don't know what that was. Okay, go.
And a bag.
Hey, could
Hello,
you?
I'm really armed right now. Okay, I'm armed.
Hey,
Don't
could
mess
you
with me.
help me like on my? Cause I lost my stuff, but could you like maybe get me a bag? Which
Yeah, I can get you
no,
back.
actually,
Oh, I can't.
it's fine.
sorry. I wish I could.
Hey, look, my ukulele. Oh,
Oh no.
there it was. What's wrong with my ukulele? Guys, is there something wrong with my ukulele? Oh, don't make me sad.
I will slander your name.
What?
I have no grappler, so don't expect me to do anything good.
Like I'm so armed right now, guys. Let me get this. Let me get this. Let me get this.
Nope.
I'm freaking. Hey, Daddy.
My ukulele. Okay, buddy. I really want to kill that chicken. Ah! Let me kill you. Thank you. Well,
I got lots of wood. So that's why I'm so heavy right now.
hey. Oh no, wait, what? How did I die? What? Why me? Hey, there's some wood over there. Get some. Look at this.
Hey. You're good, bro.
Oh, that's perfect.
I died.
Hey, let's end the video here, okay?
Okay.
Well, guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys like it a lot, and I hope you guys like some screaming and stuff.
Ah!
So, I guys have a great day, and bye. Because subscribe. Yeah.
Bye, everyone. Hope you have a good day, and don't
Yeah,
forget to
Daddy.
like. Don't
Actually,
forget to
never mind.
like and subscribe to me and Crystal. Goodbye.